Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today, we are taking a quick look at the Raptor Aero upright bicycle carrier from Yakima. The Raptor Aero secures your bike by clamping onto the down tube with its rubber padded locking jaws. Its mounting hardware is fairly universal, fitting most factory and aftermarket crossbars. Some assembly of the Raptor Aero is required prior to installation. Refer to your instructions for further details. One point we'd like to highlight about assembly, however, is the importance of installing the base tray bolt 8 inches into the wheel tray slot. Any shorter or longer, and your wheel may fall off the end of the tray. 2 sets of carriage bolts are included to ensure this bike rack fits a wide variety of crossbar shapes. If you have wing-shaped crossbars like we do, the longer bolts with the bail in the lower position is recommended. For a round or square bar, use the shorter bolts and the bail in the top position. To secure the Raptor Aero to your front crossbars, insert the carriage bolts like so into the slot, install the pad into the bail, and thread on the thumb wheel and make sure it's tight. Repeat the same steps for the other front crossbar mount. The rear crossbar mount has the capability to slide to adjust your vehicle-specific crossbar spread. The mounting hardware installs the same as the front. With the rack installed, you're ready to load your bike. Release the front and rear wheel straps, and roll your bike forward while simultaneously lifting the locking jaws into place. Twist the red knob to close the jaws around the down tube of your bike. Secure both the front and the rear wheel strap. Finally, if you purchased a Yakima SKS lock core, you can remove the plug from the knob and install it now. With the lock core in the unlocked position, the knob functions as normal. Turn your key to the lock position, and the knob is unable to be loosened or tightened, locking your bike to the rack. Thank you for checking out our video on the Raptor Aero. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email to info@rackwarehouse.com.